Assalamualaikum. Peace be upon to all of you. How are you? I hope you all are well. In this channel, we are uploading the solution video of EMRS PGT math question paper. In previous two videos, we already discussed the solution of first 30 question. In this video, we are going to discuss more 10 question with detailed explanation. Stay connected with this channel. Let's solve. And if you want to join to our WhatsApp group, or if you have any doubt with math related, you can contact with this number. So let's start. So today we'll solve from the question number 101. Let S be the sum of first 10 terms of the series tan inverse 1 by 3 plus tan inverse 1 by 7 plus tan inverse 1 by 13 plus dot dot dot. Then tan S is equals. So S is what? The sum of first terms of this series. So first of all, we need to find the what is the value of S. Then we have to put this value of S into tan. Then we have to find tan of S. Just look at the series. By seeing this kind of series, there's no specific rules or anything formula, so we can apply here. So we have to think out of the box. How? So when we do summation, this kind of 10 term, 100 term, what we'll do, we express as minus of something minus something, like this we express. Then what happens? Maximum terms will cancel out when we add lots of term, maximum cases. The same thing we have to do here also, so that maximum terms will be cancel out and we get the result. So that means each term we have to divide into two terms. Their subtraction will match with this. Clear? So how to apply this? We know that on formula that we have to apply here. What is the formula? We know tan inverse A minus B by 1 plus AB. Its formula is tan inverse A minus tan inverse B. Okay, so here we are getting the subtraction, no? This minus this. So this formula we have to apply here. Okay, there's another formula plus also tan inverse A plus tan inverse B. That means tan inverse A plus B by 1 minus B. That will not apply here. This formula we have to apply here. So look at this. We have to come out this term. So from here, no, then from here we will get subtraction of two terms. So what is, look at this formula. In denominator there is a 1, no? So first of all, we'll write all the term with denominator 1 plus something in this form. So if we write, what we'll get? We will get tan inverse 1 by, it will be 1 plus 2. Similarly, this will be tan inverse 1 by 1 plus 6. Like this it will continue. Next time it will be on tan inverse 1 plus 1 by 1 plus 12. Now we have to write in this A minus B. We have to find out A minus A and B, so that A minus B will be matched with 1 and their product will match with this number. Okay, now easily you can find it. Check. So we can write tan inverse 2 minus 1 by 1 plus 2 into 1. Check, it's matching. Similarly for the next term, tan inverse, you can write 3 minus 2 divided by 1 plus 3 into 2. Like this it will continue. So next time it will be tan inverse 1 by 1 plus, this will be 4 minus 3, 4 into 3. Now here I have to find some of the first 10 terms. So when the first term is there, here 1, 2 and 1. Second term 3, here will be 3 minus 2. Similarly for the 10th term, it will be tan inverse 11 minus 10 divided by 1 plus 11 into 10. I hope you have understood this. Now this we can write tan inverse 2 minus tan inverse 1. Similarly this we can write tan inverse 3 minus tan inverse 2. Next time it will be tan inverse 4 minus tan inverse 3 dot dot dot. Last time it will be tan inverse 11 minus tan inverse 10. Now you can check maximum term will be cancel out. So 10 inverse 2 minus 10 will cancel out, 10 inverse 3 minus 10 inverse 3 will cancel out. Similarly 10 inverse 4 will cancel out the next term. Like this 10 inverse 10 also will cancel out the previous sum plus 10 inverse 10 term. Okay, so only this term, these two term will keep it. This is the last term, it will not cancel out with any other. This 10 inverse minus 1 also will not cancel with any other term. So we are getting 10 inverse 11 minus 10 inverse 1. Similarly we can apply the same formula here, 10 inverse back formula, 10 inverse A minus 10 inverse B means this one. We are applying here also. So it will be 11 minus 11 minus 1 by 1 plus 11 into 1, that we are getting 10 by 12, that means 10 inverse 5 by 6. Now what I have to find? We have a tan of S. This is the value of S. So again we apply tan of this, that means tan of 10 inverse 5 by 6. So result we will get 5 by 6 only. Clear? I hope you have understood. So our result will be 5 by 6, that means first option is correct. So moving to the next question, 102. If cos of alpha plus beta equals 4 by 5 and sine of alpha minus beta is 5 by 13, where 0 less than alpha less than beta less than equals to 5 by 4, then tan 2 alpha is equals to. So we have given this value cos something sine something, this value we have to find out tan of 2 alpha. Now cos of what is there? A plus b, here a minus b. So from here we have to find out 2 alpha. So tan of 2 alpha we can write in this form. Check, tan 2 alpha we can write tan of alpha plus beta. We have to come out this alpha plus beta and alpha minus beta in this form, plus alpha minus beta. This form we can write. So this is we are thinking as a, this we are thinking as a b. So what will get? So tan, this is tan of a plus b in this form is there. So this is the formula we can write, tan of a plus tan of b divided by tan of a minus b. A means tan of a alpha plus beta plus tan of alpha minus beta divided by 1 minus tan of alpha plus beta tan of alpha minus beta. Now using this we can find the value of tan now. Okay, so we can we can find out sine value, sine of alpha plus beta, then we can do sine a by b. So we'll use the triangle formula, then it will be quite easy. How? We are doing the triangle. Suppose this is your alpha plus beta angle, this is cos means base by hypotenuse, base is 4, hypotenuse 5. So obviously perpendicular will be 3. So this is tan of alpha plus beta, so it will be, I'm writing here, it will be 3 by 4. Similarly tan of alpha minus beta, this is sine 5 13. So if we draw the triangle, this is visible, changing color. So alpha, this is 5 by 13. Sine means what? Perpendicular by hypotenuse. Perpendicular is 5, hypotenuse is 13. So this will be obviously 12. You can simply we can find it by Pythagoras theorem. So now this is tan. Tan means what? Perpendicular by base, that means 5 by 12. So this will be 5 by 12. Similarly 1 minus, it will be 3 by 4 into 5 by 12. Now simply out it. So this will be 3 12 the 36 plus 20 divided by 48 minus 15. So this will be 56 by, and this is 3 and this is 3, 56 by 33. This will be the answer. Clear? So the fourth option is our correct answer. I hope you have understood, and this is the easiest way to solve. Okay, very easy, not hard. So the next question, 103. If x equals 2 sin theta minus sin 2 theta and y equals 2 cos theta minus cos 2 theta, theta belongs to 0 to 2 pi, then d2y dx2 at the point theta equals to pi. So value of x is given, value of y is given, we have to find double derivative of y. So what we will do, this is x is a function of theta, y also function of theta. So first of all we have to do derivative the x with the respect to the function of theta, with respect to theta. That means dx d theta will get what, 2 cos theta minus 2 cos 2 theta. Similarly dy d theta will get minus 2 sin theta minus plus it will be 2 sin 2 theta. Clear? Now we can find it dy dx we can write dy d theta divided by dx d theta. That means this divide this. So from here we can take common 2 also. So if we take common 2, so what will get, sin 2 theta minus sin theta, in down dx d theta, that means this one. Here also we can take 2 common, so it will be cos theta minus cos 2 theta. Clear? Now 2 cancel out. So now this sin a minus sin b in this form is there. So sin a minus sin b, that formula is 2 cos a plus b by 2, that means 2 theta plus theta, that means 3 theta by 2 into sin a minus b by 2, that means theta by 2. Coming down, cos theta cos a minus cos b, that means 2 sin a plus b by 2, that means 3 theta by 2, and again sin b minus a by 2, that means theta by 2. So this cancel out. So we are getting here 2 to cancel out. We are getting cos by sin, that means cot 3 theta by 2. This value we got dy dx. Okay, or we have to find d2y dx2, that means again we have to do derivative with respect to x, but this is the function of theta. So function of theta, so d2y dx2 we can write as d of d theta of dy dx and d theta dx. Now this is the same we apply. Now d theta cancel out, that means dy dx with respect to x. I hope you have understood this. Now we are doing the derivative of dy dx with respect to theta, that means derivative of cot theta, that means minus cos square 3 theta by 2, and derivative of 3 theta by 2, that means 3 by 2, then multiply with d theta dx, that means this one, this is dx d theta, so d theta dx will be 1 by this term. Okay, 2 cos theta minus cos 2 theta. Now point is given, that is theta equals to pi, so we can substitute here. So we are substituting this value, theta equals to pi, that means cosec 3 pi by 2, cosec 3 pi by 2, that means in third quadrant means value will be minus 1 and square is there, means 1. So this is minus 1 3 by 2, and here cos pi value is minus 1, so it will be minus 2, and cos 2 pi value is so 2 is missing here, so here there is a 2 also. Yes, and cos 2 pi value is 1, so it will be minus 2, so minus it will be minus 4, that means 3 by 8 is the answer. Clear? 4 to the 8, denominator 4 and 2 is there, so it will be 3 by 8. So that is third option is our correct answer. I hope you have understood. So next question, question number 104. Just wait a little bit. Yes, it will be more visible. Question number 104. In triangle ABC, if A equals 2, B equals tan inverse half, and C equals tan inverse 1 by 3, then the coordinate form A and B is equals. Okay, so in triangle ABC, value of A is given and angle B, angle C is given, so we have to find angle A and the B value. What implies the small a and small b, we have to understand here. Let's draw a triangle. This is a triangle, suppose. Now in triangle, the angle we represent by capital letter. Now in front of this is our angle A. In front of angle B, which side is there? BC side. That's this will be A length. Okay, BC means A length. In front of B angle, this will be the B length. In front of C angle, this is the C length. Okay, C means AB. Okay, I hope you have understood. Here A is given 2, that means this value is 2. Now two angle is given, B angle and C angle. We have to find the A angle. So we know that sum of all angles of a triangle is 180 degree. So C angle, obviously it will be C angle, obviously it will be 180 minus angle B plus angle C. There's no doubt here. 180 means pi we can write, but and because answer is given in the pi form. Now B plus C, B is given tan inverse 2, tan inverse half. So tan inverse half plus tan inverse 1 by 3. Now we can simplify out. So we know that tan inverse A plus tan inverse B formula. What is tan inverse A plus B divided by 1 minus A into B. Now simplify it. So pi minus tan inverse, it will be 5 by 6 in up. In down also 5 by 6. That means tan inverse 1. So pi minus tan inverse 1. That means pi minus pi by 4. That means 3 pi by 4. So value of A we got capital A C, capital C we got 3 pi by 4. 3 pi by 4 in this option also, this option also. So we have to check the value of B also. So for value of B, we have to apply the sine rule. Which rule? Sine rule. What is the sine rule? Sine rule is saying that A by sine A equals to B by sine B equals to C by sine C. You already know this, I hope. Now which two we have to take in? So angle A is given. Okay. Angle A. Sorry, I have done mistake somewhere. So this will be angle A. I have written C. This is angle A. Okay. I have written C by mistake. So A by sine A equals to B by sine B. Okay, we have to find out this B. That means B angle is needed. Okay, so here and A value is given, so we will take this 2. Okay, since C is not given. So value of A is 2 by sine A. Value of A is we got 3 pi by 4. So sine 3 pi by 4. That means how much? We are applying directly. Okay, 3 pi by 4 means in this pi minus pi by 4. That means sine pi by 4. Sine pi by value is 1 by root 2. Value of B you have to found, and sine B. Sine B means this B angle this. So we can apply the angle triangle. Tan inverse half means perpendicular is 1, base is 2, and hypotenuse it will be 2 square plus 1 square. That means root over 5. And we have to find sine B. Sine means perpendicular by hypotenuse. That means 1 by root 5. I hope you have understood. From here we can easily find out the sine of B. Clear? So this will be sine of B will be 1 by root over 5. So here we got 2 root over 5. Sorry, 2 into root 2 is root over 5 into B. So we need to find the value of B. So we are doing here. So value of B it will be 2 root over 2 by root over 5. So this is our answer. So it will matching with the second option. Clear? So here one concept we have applied, that is sum of all angles of a triangle is 180 degree. And another rule, that is sine rule, we have applied. A by sine A equals B by sine B and equals to C by sine C. And you have to know that angle of the side of in front of A angle, that will be A length. Angle of in front of angle B, the side will be B length, and in front of angle C, that side will be C length. Clear? This notation you should know, otherwise you cannot solve this problem. So next question number 105. If the area of equilateral triangle inscribed in a circle x square plus y square plus 10x plus 12y plus c equals 0 is 27 root 3 square unit, then the value of c. So area of triangle inscribed in a circle, so it's already drawn here, so I'm not drawing it here because the space is very less, so I'm using this diagram only. Okay, but different concept. So this problem can be solved by various concept. Okay, so I'm just solving on easy concept. So this is equilateral triangle, and we know that all angle of equilateral triangle is 60 degree. Yeah, and this is the circle you have seen here. So this is the center. Okay, this is the triangle inscribed in the circle. That means this center will be circumcenter. This center will be circumcenter of this triangle. Keep it, remember, if a circle, if a triangle inscribed in a circle, that means the center of the circle will be circumcenter. And for the case of equilateral triangle, circumcenter, incenter, and centroid all are same point. That's why you can apply so many methods, so many way you can solve it, for since this is an equilateral triangle. So what will we do? Which process we will follow here? So if we draw this, we are drawing this line. So we know that sum of all angle of a triangle is 60 degree. So this is 60 degree. You know this is an arc of a circle, and this angle is formed rest of the circle, and this angle is formed on the center with the center of the circle. So obviously this will be double of this. That means this angle will be 120 degree, no doubt. And this from center to circle, this will be radius of the circle. This will be r. This also will be the r. This is also center to circle distance. Okay. Now for the case of equilateral triangle, this area and this area will be same. Okay, that means area of this triangle means 3 into area of this smaller triangle. Clear? And area of this smaller triangle easily we can found, since if the for two triangle, suppose this is a triangle, this length is given, this length is given, and the angle between is given, so angle is theta, then the area of this triangle will be half AB sin theta. Same concept we will apply here, and this is the easiest way to solve this problem. So we are applying, we are finding the area of this down triangle. Okay, so it will be half AB, that means r into r, and angle between them, that is sine 120, angle is 120. And if we find that area of total triangle, so it will be 3 times, because all this triangular area also will be same, this triangular area also same, because this is also will be 120, this will be radius, this also will be 120, this also radius, two side radius r. Clear? So if we multiply with 3, then we will get the area of this triangle, and area of this triangle is 27 root 3. Clear? Now this simplify it. So this is 3 by 2 r square sine 120 value is root 3 by 2 at 27 root 3. So root 3 cancel out, by 3 9. So r square value is 36. Clear? And from this given triangle, given equation of circle, we can find the radius of the circle, and since it is z, value of z is half of coefficient of x, that is 5, f is half of coefficient of y, that is 6, and c is c. So we know that the radius formula we are applying here, radius formula is what? Root over z square plus f square minus c. We know this. So we apply r square, so it will be z square value is what? 5 square 25, and then 6 square means 36 minus c. R square value is what? 36, that is 25 plus 36 minus 6, 36 cancel out. The value of c is 25. So value of c we need to find, that value is 25. That means third option is our correct answer. Clear? So we apply one concept, you can do by other concept I am saying here, you can apply. So this is the circumcenter, this also centroid, and we know centroid, that means this divide in 2 into 1 ratio. This concept we can also apply. So this is the easiest way to solve. So moving to the next question, 106. If fx equals cos x, cos 2x, cos 4x, cos 8x, and cos 16x, then the value of f dash pi by 4. So this is the product of so many terms, 1 term, 2 term, 3 term, 4 term, 5 terms. So when some product is there, product of many terms. If you do the derivative, what will you do? We'll do the derivative of one term keeping the rest of the same. Next we'll do the keeping the rest of the same, we'll do the next term, like this will continue. Okay, like this will continue the process. So same concept will apply here, but so if we do this keeping the one term, doing the derivative all the time, so it will be a lot lengthy process. So here we have to think out of the box. How? Look at this, all the term are cos x, all the term is cos x, cos something. So we know that derivative of cos is sine, minus sine, sine, clear? And here angle also given, that is pi by 4. Now we know that sine n pi value is 0, that means sine pi, sine 2 pi, sine 4 pi value is 0. Now for which case, if we do the derivative, we'll get derivative sine, and if we put the pi by 4, we'll get in this form sine pi, 2 pi, 4 pi. That means this value will be 0, no? So we will neglect this term, clear? Now look at this, sine 4x is there. When we'll do the, we keep the rest of the term same, when we do this derivative of this, that is sine 4x, and value of 4, sine 4 4 means sine 4 into value of x is pi by 4, that means pi by 4, that means sine pi, that means this also will be 0. When we'll do this derivative, this also will be 0. Sine 8x, that means sine 8 into x, that means pi by 4, that means sine 2 pi, this will be 0, this one. That means when we'll do the derivative of these three terms, this, obviously whatever multiply with this, result will be 0. That means we need to do derivative of only these two, keeping the rest of the same. That means f dash x will write derivative of the first term, that is minus sine x, keeping the rest of the terms same, cos x, cos 2x, cos 4x, cos 8x, cos 16x. Next, the next term. So this is minus 2 sine 2x, keeping the rest of the term same. That means cos x, cos 4x, cos 8x, cos 16x. Clear? And we'll do the derivative of this. When if we put the value pi by 4, we'll get the result 0. Since we get the sine 4x, sine 8x, and sine 16x, and if we put the value pi by 4, so result will be 0. So no need to write all the term. Clear? So pi 5 is if f dash pi by 4, so we are putting the value pi by 4. This sine pi by 4, that is 1 by root 2. Here cos 2x, that means 2 into pi by 4 means cos pi by 2. Cos pi by 2 means 0. So this term also will be 0. We are not writing the rest of the term, since 0 multiplied something means result will be 0. Now coming to here, 2 into sine 2x, that means sine pi by 2, that means 1. There is then cos pi by 4, that is 1 by root 2. Then cos 4x, cos pi value is 1. Sorry, cos pi value is minus 1. Then cos 2 pi value 1, and then cos 4 pi, that value also 1. The result we are getting 2 by root 2, that means root 2. Clear? So f dash pi by 4 value will be root 2. Clear? So here concept, some calculation you have to do mind, like sine we are getting, and when you put the value, then result will be 0. Okay, out of the box you have to think to solve this kind of problem. So next question, 107. A point on the parabola y square equals 18x at which the ordinate increases at 2 at the rate of abscissa. We have to find out the point where ordinate is increasing as 2 is the rate of the abscissa. We know that abscissa means the x and ordinate means y. Okay, so increasing means with respect to the time. When increasing something, that means with respect to the time. That means ordinate increasing, that means we can write as a dy dt is double of the abscissa increasing, that means dx dt. Clear? Now function is given y square equals to 18x. Here also we can do derivative with respect to time t. It will be 2y dy dt equals 18 into dx dt. Clear? Now 2y, Now value of dy dt we can write from here, that is 2 into dx dt. That means 2 into dx dt equals 18 into dx dt. So dx dt cancel out. So 4y equals 8. So y equals 9 by 2. If you substitute the value of y here, we will get the value of x. That means 81 by 4 equals 18x. The value of x equals, by 9 cancel out, 9 and the 81, 9 to the 18. So value of x is 9 by 8. So we have to find the point. So point means x comma y. X comma y, value of x 9 by 8 comma 9 by 2. That means third option is our correct answer. I hope you have understood. To the next question. Question number 108. If fx equals mod of x minus 2 plus mod of x minus 3, then dy dx at the point x equals 2. So the function is in the form of mod something is given and point also given, x equals to 2. So when this kind of problem you are given, point also given, so we have to first of all check out the which point is 2, slightly less than 2 and slightly more than 2, the function behavior. We have to check out the function behavior before 2 and after 2, the slightly. And look at, if we slightly less than 2, the function behavior will be same as compared to slightly greater than 2. Since here x minus 2 and x minus 3, that means if we x less than 2, so this will also negative, so this will be positive and this also negative. If slightly less greater than 2, this also will be positive, that means same. That means fx at the point of x equals to 2, we can write as, this will be positive. If you 2, that means positive, so x minus 1. If we x equals to 2, then x minus 3 is negative, so mod come out the mod, that means minus of x plus 3. So minus 2 plus x minus x cancel out, this will be 2. This is the value of the function. Okay, now we have to do derivative of this. So this is y. If we do derivative of this, that means dy dx, that will be derivative of constant term is 0. Like this also do, that means fourth option is our correct answer. By graphically also you can do. Okay, so I'm showing here by graphically also. Now find out all the function behavior of fx. Okay, so first of all, if x less than minus 1, if x less than minus 1, so this will be negative, this also be negative. That means minus x plus 1 minus x plus 3, that means minus 2x plus 4. If value of x 1 less than x less than 3, that means in between 1 to 3, then first term this will be positive and this will be negative. That means minus x plus, sorry, this will be positive. That means x minus 1, this will be negative, minus x plus 3, that means 2 we are getting. Clear? And if x greater than 3, so we'll get all positive, that means x minus 1, x minus 3, that means 2x minus 4. So if we draw the graph of this, so from 1 to 3, here 1, this is 3, the value is this. Okay, constant. Then it will be like this, like this. Okay, so from 1 to 3, that means 2 point means this. So this is the constant, not changing anywhere, and it is the parallel to the x-axis. So here the derivative, that means dy dx will be 0. Parallel to x-axis, tan of something means 0. I hope you have understood now. So this is the easiest way to solve, and graphically also you can think out. Now next question 109. For x greater than 1, if 2x power 2y equals 4 into e power 2x minus 2y, then 1 plus log e 2x whole square dy dx is. So this relation is given, so we have to find out this. So by the question you can understand this log 2x there, that means we have to apply log in this given expression. So if we apply log, what will get? 2y log 2 log a base 2x we will get. So here we will get log 4 plus, if we apply log here, log a plus log b, it will be product in form, it will be log a plus log b. So log a means log 4 plus log b means log of this, that means 2x minus 2y. Clear? So from here we can find out the value of y. Clear? So log 4 we can write 2 log 2 plus 2x minus 2y. So all the term is 2 is multiplied with all the terms, so we can divide it by 2, and if we take the y common, so how it will get, so y common, so this 2y come to left side, that means 1 plus log 2x, and in right side we have log 2 plus x. Okay, so 2 we cancel out, we divide all the term, divide by 2, so or it will be only log 2 plus x. So value of y, it will be x plus log 2 divided by 1 plus log 2s. Now we need to do derivative. So dy dx, it will be just in the form of a u by v form. So this multiply derivative of this, so 1 plus log 2x into derivative of this, that means 1, then x plus log 2, then derivative of this, it will be this is 0, and this log 2x derivative 1 by 2x, and by the derivative of 2x, that is 2, divide by 1 plus log 2x, that's whole square. Okay, so if we do cross multiplication, so 1 plus log 2x whole square dy dx, this result we have to find out. Just simplify the right side, so 2 cancel out, this 1 by x and this into multiply x, it will be 1, and this minus in there, so minus 1, this plus 1 minus 1 will cancel out, so this term will be only left, and here also there log 2x. Okay, so if we simplify it, so we'll get log 2x minus log 2, and on x will multiply and divide by x. Okay, so we have done it directly. Okay, this 1 by x is there, so it will multiply, so just we are multiplying x in up and down. Okay, here also x, and here also x, here also, so this is cancel out, and we will get the x in down also. So this will matching with the first option, x log 2x minus log 2 divided by x. I hope you have understood. So see the next question, 110. If fx equals root over 1 plus kx minus root over 1 minus kx when minus is less than equals to x less than 0, and 2x square plus 3x minus 2 when 0 less than equals to x less than 1 is continuous at x equals to 1, then value of k. So since the function is continuous at x equals to 1, so at this point x equals to 1, function value and limiting value will be the same. That means, and limiting value same, that means left hand limit and right hand limit both will be the same. If we find the left hand limit, so it will be apply on the left hand function, that is this function, that means limit x tends to 0 minus this function 1 plus root over 1 plus kx minus root over 1 minus kx divided by x. In the right side function is this, that means directly we can substitute here, so 2 into 0 square 3 into 0 minus 2. So this limit we need to find out, so limit x tends to 0, so this is a minus b form is there, so we are multiplying a plus b, that means we are multiplying here 1 plus kx root over plus root over 1 minus kx, and here also we are multiplying 1 plus kx root over plus 1 minus kx. This will be a square minus b square form, that means 1 plus kx minus 1 plus kx down root over 1 plus kx plus root over 1 minus kx. In right side we are getting minus 2, so this on cancel out, so this will be 2kx, x is cancelled out, in up it will be 2 only. Now we can put the value of x, that is 0, so in up is 2, in down it will be root over 1, that means 1 plus 1, that value is minus 2 in right side. So 2k by 2 equals to minus 2, k cancel out, so value of k is minus 2. So this we need to find out, so that value is minus 2. So in this video we have discussed solution of 10 question. If you have any doubt, feel free to ask question in the comment section, and you can ask in my WhatsApp number. And if you find any error in this solution, so leave the comment in the comment section. I hope it helped your preparation. Thank you for watching.